All right.
While your eyes are closed, like you like your face like passing, you're like.
Callie, can you hold this, please? All right. Flying thrust.
You look crazy.
Okay. Callie, can I have that, please? Okay. Say goodbye, folks.
Bye, Bermuda. Hope to see you again. Are we moving?
We are now pushing away.
Did you see that?
Nice. Pour some drink out for the homies.
I did.
For you.
Let's bring it out the back.
So by the way, that cab driver was probably one of the nicest cab drivers I've ever had.
I remember when my first time there.
Talking on his cell phone. Really?
You remember that? That's nice.
Mustang. It's like a Lincoln. Ken, what was that car we went in, that first taxi from Miami to Fort Lauderdale to Miami? That one guy took us in his private car, like a black car.
That was just a town car.
It's like a Lincoln town car. It's a set Lincoln town car.
Nice day. Now, if this one's like intimidating over here, when we pull out, you go, hey, father, hey,
Oh, we're already moving? Ooh.
hey, we're going that way. Hey.
Yes, Tyler.
Yes, we're backing up.
No, they were going this way or that way?
Callie, watch out. Get out of the camera.
We're going left or
Please.
right?
We're going to go straight out.
Remember that guy downtown in Helmut Cameras? Remember he went, and you think I'm a freak. So I'm not walking down the street going, that's only because you know me.
Show up there. And they're in the canvas bag. It's over up underneath the safe.
Hey, I like the front of that. The front is facing out that way towards the nice stairway.
It's Captain Anders.
Why is it all white right there? The water.
Shout out.
It's called prop wash, huh? It's behind me. Wow, look at that. We're pushing off there. Very nice.
Is that sand?
Look at the front of the ship. That way they have it pointed that way.
It's a big
Daddy, is that sand?
looks like you go straight.
It's silt and sand and all sorts of stuff.
Over there, some more cans. We got here after the
It's the Milky River. So we're basically going to spin around this way, go up that way.
What is that red and white boat floating into the ship?
What are you talking about?
The red and white,
It's a
is that a
lifeboat.
life?
That's a lifeboat. Yeah, they're doing lifeboat drills. No, I mean, Raleigh's bigger than that. Raleigh's bigger than that.
Bigger?
Raleigh has like 300,000 people.
I think all like area. Yeah.
How many people live there?
65,000.
Only like 2 million.
So what kind of people live there? How many like?
So we're gonna go right through that little channel right there, straight out. See that? Noel? See the red? So we're gonna go straight that way. Boom. Now we now have forward momentum. What? Huh?
Why the engine?
They just turned off the bow thrusters because we're. And now we've got full power to the rear. Because we're going to be doing 19.6 knots.